Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Realme 10 device, and now I can show you how to record calls on this phone. Okay, to begin with, we need to clarify a few nuances. First, you need to understand that in order to record calls, you need to have access to the root directory of your system. By default, only the default applications, in our case telephone, the phone app, has access to the hidden directory. Okay, but in default, Google Caller is your pre-installed phone application, has the call recording here. Call recording feature is here, but those of some countries prohibits recording calls in these countries. In my case, my country prohibits recording calls, as you can see. So I have not this feature here. If you have this feature, so you can record calls using your pre-installed phone app. But if you want to record calls, but if you have no this feature as me, so you need to install and you need to use third-party applications. I recommend using the Cube ACR application because it's completely free and it works. So you can find this app in the Play Store. So find here Cube ACR and install this app. Click open, click next, grant, while using allow, enable app connector, click on Cube ACR, click on Tumblr and click allow. Great. Click OK, go eat, allow run in the background and click no thanks. OK, go eat, click on the cross in the top corner and great. Now when you will call to someone or if the someone will call to you, all your calls will be recorded in Cube ACR application and you will be able to find these records opening the Cube ACR application. Therefore, if you want to your voice and the voice of your interlocutor to be recorded, you must either install root access on your device, or you can record conversation using an external speaker. In this way, the microphone will pick up both your voice and the voice of your interlocutor. So, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.